Good evening, friends. Today I am coming up with a new topic which is very useful for the non-profit, non-trading organization who are dealing in free services and collecting money from customers or members as a part of donations and then operating entire business which doesn't have any purpose of trading and income. So Odoo gives an option of defining non-trade account which are receivable or payable. So here I have defined two separate accounts under receivable, which is receivable non-trade and payable non-trade under payable. And where I have enabled this non-trade option, as well as I have created two more accounts to define my income. So this is my normal income, but my donation will come under donation income account, which is part of other income. And I have created an expense account separately, which is donation expense account under expenses. So now how it works, so let's see. I can directly go and collect donation from my customer without mentioning customer name even, as a part of donation product, where the donation income account has been set. And I can say I am collecting, let's say, 250 rupees from my customer, and this will go to donation income. And here I have to make changes in terms of donation non-trade account, so that will serve my purpose and I can confirm this donation received. So now if I go to my balance sheet, we can see here receivable non-trade will be part of under current asset. So it's receivable account, but it's not part of receivable because it's a non-trade, which means it's my current asset. Now the same way I can make some expenses and giving to my vendor, and I'm using the same donation product which creates a donation expense. And I can say I have buy some toys for kids worth, let's say, 100. And then in journal items I can replace the creditors with payable non-trade account, so that will serve my purpose. And now I can register my direct entry over here. Now if I refresh my balance sheet, I can see this receivable non-trade 250 and payable non-trade 100, which is the recent transactions. Now if I run with my profit and loss, I can see donation income goes to 1250 and then donation expenses goes to 200, which consist of previous transaction also. So here if you want to see exact transaction, you can see 250 right now and 1000 old, and then donation expense 100 plus 100 toys for gifts and donation. And then I will go to my dashboard. I can go back to my receipt. Here this 250 is non-paid. I can directly make payment towards my cash account, like I'm collecting cash, that will goes in payment. The same way I go to my vendor receipt, which 100 non-paid, I can register my cash directly. It will go to non-payment, and in my cash register I can see 150. So what I will do, I will create to reconcile a transaction of total 150 and then reconcile it, donation transactions, and then I will reconcile both of these to clear it out. Now if I go to my balance sheet, I will see this is receivable non-trade becomes 0, and then this payable is also 0. In counterpart, I will go to my donation income, which is 1250, and purchase expense like donation expense is 200 has been registered. As well as we have created one analytic account for donation management, which will enable my total donation income and total expenses in my P&L. In my balance sheet also, I can see analytic group by and my donation management, which will create a filter over here. Like current year earning 1,050 and 100 goes to this donation, which is different account, which is not my non-trade account. But yeah, this is how I can see my current year earnings from my P&L, right? So P&L will 1250 minus 200 means 1050 goes to my donation. So hope this simple use case will help a lot of accountant, a lot of Odoo consultant to configure a right non-trade account and use this for various purposes, which is for not making income. Thank you.